A very pleasant morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to English Online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. How are you all doing, children? I hope you all are doing well. Yes? May you all have a blissful year ahead. Okay, let's start our today's session. Today, let's go through lesson 8, a game of chance. A game of chance. As a name suggests, as a title suggests, it shows us, it presents us the futility. Futility means the pointlessness or uselessness of lucky charm or bumper lotteries and so on. We all have tried lotteries, right? We all feel that we may win something from that lotteries. It may bring us immediate fortune. Sometimes we may win or sometimes we may lose. So what is this lucky charm? Lucky charm is something that brings you good luck. It can be a person, it can be an object. For example, if you are appearing for an exam, you might have gone through all the lessons, okay? You might have worked very hard for your exams. Still, you find that you should carry a lucky charm along with you, something that brings you good luck. So, you feel that some pen might bring you good luck. A particular pen may bring you good luck. Maybe that pen have brought you good luck several times when you wrote with that pen. So this time also you carry that pen along with you because you feel that that pen is your lucky charm. When you write with that pen would give you good scores. So you may carry that pen along with you and that is your lucky charm. That pen is your lucky charm because that object brings you good luck. So we all have such tendency, right, to go behind such lucky charms, to try our luck several times. So here is a story. Here our author presents a story in an interesting manner. He shows us how the feelings and the emotions of an innocent are played with. So a game of a chance mentions a story about a boy named Rashid who visits an Eid fair along with his uncle. So while exploring various shops in that fair, he comes across a shop named Lucky Shop, where the shopkeeper tempts all the people to try their luck and win prizes. The shopkeeper also tricks Rashid. The shopkeeper tricks Rashid to try his luck and win prizes. But what happened to our character Rashid? He tries his luck several times. He spends all his money to win prizes, but he loses. Means he wins nothing more than a trifle. Trifle means things of little value, okay? Things of less importance. So let's go to the details of the story. This story, A Game of Chance, happens on the occasion of Eid. Eid, you all know what is Eid, right? A festival. So on this festival, every year, fairs would be set up. Fairs means it is a public event, children, where we can buy things, where we can have food, where there will be rides for our entertainment, for our pleasure, where there will be many tradesmen who have come to sell their goods. So here also they have set up a fair in his village, and every year this fairs will be conducted. And even though Eid is celebrated just one day, the fairs would be there for several days. So people can get crowded over there, they can buy whatever they like. So they will get even the smallest thing, that is a pin, or the biggest thing, a buffalo. So everything can be bought from that fair, okay? So Rashid also visits this fair along with his uncle and Bhaiya. Bhaiya is a person who helps them in their household chores, in their household activities. And how was the means fair, children? It was very big fair and it was very crowded. So uncle has to lead them, okay? Uncle was leading Bhaiya and Rashid to go around this fair. So when they were exploring this fair, when they were going around this fair, the uncle met some of his friends. So his friends, uncle's friends, need him for some time. They need to spend some time in this fair. So uncle asked Rashid, would he like to go around this fair? Would he like to explore all the stalls in this fair? So Rashid, he was very happy to hear that, and he said that he would like to go and see all the stalls. He would like to visit all the shops in this fair. But uncle told him that you can go and see all these stalls, but one condition, you should not go very far away from me, okay? You should not go to the distant stalls, and you should not also buy anything from these stalls. You all might have seen fairs, right? If there are festivals around us, it can be any temple festivals, it can be any Islamic celebrations or Christian festivals. So everywhere when the festivals are happening, there would be several stalls, right, where we can buy that we like. So Rashid also was so interested to explore all the shops. So he readily agreed to what uncle said, and he also said that he will not buy anything from any of the stores and he will not go far away from his uncle, because it is a very big fair, it is very crowded, so they might get lost in this crowd. That's why uncle gave him a warning. So uncle went along with his friends to have a quality time together, to have a good time together. By that time, Baya and Rashid went to explore the shops in the fair. While they were exploring several shops, they came across a very interesting shop, and that was named Lucky Shop. Why that shop has such a name, Lucky Shop? Because in a lucky shop, the shopkeeper tempts you to try your luck and win prizes. So they found it very interesting and they stopped near that shop, and they felt that they could see what is happening in that shop. So the shopkeeper, how was the shopkeeper? The shopkeeper, he was neither too old, neither too young. He was a middle-aged person. He was neither too smart nor too lazy. Okay. So what is so special in that shop? What is so special about this shop is that you have to pay 50 paise. You need to pay just 50 paise to try your luck. Okay. You have to pay 50 paise. Then you have to, several discs would be displayed on the table in that shop. Means 10 discs. Okay. And these 10 discs have numbers from 1 to 10. What you have to do is you have to pay 50 paise and select any of the 6 discs. Okay, any of the 6 discs which has numbers from 1 to 10. Suppose you have selected disc which has numbers from 1 to 6. Okay, just imagine, okay, that you have selected disc from 1 to 6. You can select only 6 discs. Okay, then what you have to do is, after selecting 6 discs, you have to calculate, or you have to add all the numbers on these 6 discs. So if you have picked the disc in an order from 1 to 6, just calculate the amount, just add up the amount, and what you get is 21, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. You get 21. So you will get an article that is marked 21 over there. Several articles will also be displayed in that shop. Articles means it can be any object. It can be a clock, it can be a watch, it can be a pen, it can be anything. Okay. So there will be several articles displayed in that shop, and it has numbers also on that. So whatever amount you get after adding up the disc, you get that article. So I hope you understood how they pick up the article. Okay. Now we will see who all are coming to his shop and who all tries their luck. Will Rashid try his luck? Will Rashid also participate in this lucky game? Let's see all this in our next session. So I hope you understood the stories this much. I hope you understood. Okay, so far. So just read the story. Okay, children. Do download the notes that are attached. Do attempt a test. That's all for today. See you in the next session.